Guys, and welcome to Allie and Jordan Vlogs, and we are really sad because we just got home from school and we're drenched because it has been pouring for about the whole day. At first it looked sunny, so now it's all rainy. So I'm gonna move the camera, okay? Look how rainy. Just that you guys can't see it because it's so dark outside. Okay, it's like literally so dark right now. That's right. You can hear it. Like, seriously. You can even see these little droplets. It's pouring outside. Okay. In the correct spot. I am. So basically, that's just what we wanted to tell you. I'm so sorry. It's like, what? So basically, come back for another Jordan Vlogs. Bye. Stop the camera. Oh, I'm stopping it. Oh, come on, just stop it. Okay.